Hello guys, so in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to fix TikTok effects. First thing guys, open the settings, go to the apps manager, and after you open the apps manager, now go to the TikTok, click on force stop, and then go to the storage, click on clear data, clear cache, and then go to the notifications management and make sure that all the notifications are enabled, especially this badges option right here. And after you do this, now you have to go back to the settings again, go to the wireless and networks, and then go to the airplane mode, enable it, and wait a few seconds, let's say 10 seconds for example, and disable it again. And the last thing you want to do now is just restart your phone and reopen TikTok, and the problem must be solved. Don't forget to like, subscribe.